Welcome to Rising Voice English. If you enjoy learning simple and practical English, please subscribe and grow with us every day. My life changed after I started doing one simple thing every day. It was not expensive, it was not difficult, and it did not take many hours. However, it changed everything in my life. Before I started, I felt stuck and unsure of myself. I understood some English, but I could not speak well or confidently. I often forgot words easily, and I felt shy when speaking. Sometimes I even felt embarrassed. Maybe you feel the same way right now. You study English, watch videos, and read books regularly. But when it is time to speak, your mind suddenly becomes empty. This situation is very common for many learners. One day, I decided that I needed to change my approach. I started a simple daily habit, and slowly my life improved. Today, I will share that habit with you step by step. The simple habit. The habit is very simple and easy to follow. I practice speaking English every single day. I did not study for many hours or sit in a classroom. I did not worry about having perfect grammar. I simply practiced speaking English daily. That small action made a big difference.
Why this works? Many people believe that learning English means memorizing grammar rules. They also focus on studying long vocabulary lists and watching lessons. These methods are helpful, but they are not enough on their own. English is a skill, and like any skill, it must be practiced regularly. Think about learning how to drive a car. You can read books or watch videos about driving. However, you only improve when you actually sit in the car and practice. English works in the same way. You must use your voice and speak regularly. What I did every day. Every day, I followed 3 simple steps in my practice. I spoke English out loud, used simple sentences, and practiced real-life situations. These 3 actions were enough to help me improve. 1. Speaking out loud. I did not practice silently in my head anymore. Instead, I spoke English out loud every day. This step is very important for improving speaking skills. When you speak out loud, your mouth learns the sounds clearly. Your brain makes faster connections, and your confidence grows naturally. At first, it felt strange to speak alone in my room. However, I continued practicing, and soon it felt normal. For example, in the morning, I described simple things around me. I said, "This is my phone," or "I am drinking coffee." I also said, "I am getting ready for work." These sentences were simple, but I spoke them clearly and slowly.
2. Using simple sentences. I did not try to sound perfect or advanced. Instead, I used easy words and short sentences. For example, I said, "I feel tired," or "I need rest." I also used sentences like, "I am busy today." Simple English is very powerful and effective. You do not need difficult words to communicate clearly. You only need clear and useful expressions. When I cooked food, I described my actions in English. I said, "I am cutting vegetables," and "the water is hot." I also said, "The food smells good." These sentences were simple, but they were real and useful. 3. Practicing real life. I did not practice random or meaningless sentences. Instead, I practiced speaking about my real daily life. Everything I did became part of my English practice. At home, I said things like, "I am cleaning my room." I also said, "I am opening the window," and "I am watching TV." When I went outside, I thought in English about my actions. For example, I said, "I am walking to the store," or "I need to buy bread." At work, I practiced simple and useful sentences. I said, "I will finish this task," and "I need help." I also said, "I will send the email." What changed after 1 week?
After 1 week of practice, something surprising happened. I started thinking in English sometimes during the day. Before, I always translated everything in my head. Now I could think directly in English more easily. This change made speaking much faster and smoother. What changed after 1 month? After 1 month, I felt much more confident. I was no longer afraid to speak English with others. My sentences were still simple, but they were clear. People could understand me, and that felt amazing. What changed after 3 months? After 3 months, my life truly changed. I could speak more naturally and understand English faster. I was able to express my ideas more clearly than before. I was not perfect, but I improved every single day. The big secret. Here is the most important truth you should remember. Consistency is more important than perfection. You do not need perfect grammar or a perfect accent. You only need to practice every day. Even 10 minutes of daily practice can make a difference.
Common mistakes. Many learners make the same common mistakes. They wait until they feel perfect before they speak. They are afraid of making mistakes and avoid speaking practice. This slows down their progress significantly. Mistakes are a natural and necessary part of learning. Every mistake helps you improve and grow. For example, I once said, "He go to work." This sentence was not correct, but it was okay. Later, I learned to say, "He goes to work." Improvement always takes time and patience. Simple daily plan. Here is a simple daily plan you can follow easily. In the morning, speak for 5 to 10 minutes about your routine. For example, say, "I am waking up," or "I am brushing my teeth." In the afternoon, speak about your activities during the day. You can say, "I am working," or "I am eating lunch." In the evening, talk about your day and your feelings. You can say, "Today was busy," or "I learned something new." This plan only takes about 15 to 30 minutes daily. How to stay motivated. Sometimes you may feel tired or unmotivated to practice. This feeling is normal, and it happens to everyone. To stay consistent, keep your practice short and simple. Even 5 minutes of practice is enough on busy days. Be kind to yourself and avoid negative thoughts. Instead of saying, "My English is bad," say, "I am learning." Track your progress and notice small improvements daily. Every small step brings you closer to your goal. Real-life result. After I started this daily habit, my confidence increased greatly. I could understand more English and speak more comfortably. I also felt proud of my progress and my effort. English was no longer scary for me. It became a natural part of my everyday life. Important reminder. You do not need expensive courses to improve your English. You do not need perfect grammar or advanced vocabulary. What you truly need is practice, patience, and consistency. Final message. If you want to improve your English, start today. Do not wait for the perfect moment or overthink the process. Just begin with simple English and speak every day. Your life can change, just like mine did. Thank you for learning with Rising Voice English. If this video helped you, please subscribe and continue your journey with us. Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep speaking. See you in the next lesson.